Hey YouTube, my name is Tim Treist. Welcome to my channel. I am brand spanking new. This is my first video. I have no idea what I'm doing, so I'm just going to make it my best go at this. I do not have a name. My name is Tim Treist, like I said. I do woodworking on the side. So I would like your all's help to come up with a name. And that'd be great. And if I pick it, then I'll give you all the credit for it. Alright, so let you know. Sorry. This is what I'm doing here. I've got my Shapeoko router Pro, and I'm just using scraps to make my bench. So everything you see here is all scraps. And right now I'm in the process of making drawers. And I'm doing this because over here, you'll excuse my extremely messy shop, but this is what I'm doing here. I'm going to get all of this that you see here into those drawers. So these are my carcasses. I'm using pocket screws. I know everyone's favorite. Everyone's got some kind of beef with pocket screws. I don't know why, but I think they're awesome. And then what I've done is I've used my rabbit bit here, and I've created a rabbit in here, and then I'm going to cut these bottoms out and then put them in here, and then I'll use my disc sander to make my roundovers, because I'll be making the roundovers. I am not that great with a chisel, and I don't feel like starting now. So I like how this looks anyway, so I'll just throw some glue in here and some brad nails and call it good once I get this all nicely rounded up. And the camera just quit on me. I don't know if it's still recording or not. I look grumpy, but I promise that I'm not. Angry and hungry, and it ate wood.
That's crazy.
I know, but you know what? This whole thing, this whole bench is all scraps.
Well, that's pretty good. It's not all scraps.
Oh, well, no, you're right. That's not all scraps. The ones that are not scraps are the side pieces.
The side, yeah, the little siding ends where you're like, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Let's try this way. I don't know where I was going.
Oh, don't ask me if I don't know. And do you have so what are you gonna do with your vacuum cleaner back there, your shop vac? Is you gonna make how is that thing gonna be sucking up the sawdust from the Shapeoko?
Well, there's two hoses. I don't know which one will fit into this thing yet.
Yeah, but how's the hose gonna come out? You're gonna bring it out the side and the back?
Bring out the back.
Okay.
Our good friend from Sam from Sandcraft, he made this honeycomb thing on his Shapeoko a month ago, and it attaches to the wall, and it just looks literally like a honeycomb. And he's got the hose for the vacuum running through there, kind of like up and over to kind of get it off of the thing.
Oh.
So it's not laying on your wasteboard or on your project.
Right.
So if I ever figure out how to get this machine going, I'll go to his video again and see if I can.
You're not.
Funny girl.
Do you need help?
See, it's comedy 24/7 here.
Missed it.
Shh. There.
Is something not right?
No, it's fine.
Do the others slide? Is it that hard to slide the others? Or do they slide easier? See, that slides much easier. Why is that one so hard to slide?
This one? So?
It's got more resistance.
I don't know.
Okay. Don't mind me. I'm on my second class of that.
I still gotta do the drawer fronts on it too.
Mm-hmm.